Alrighty guys, welcome back to the Grim Reaper RC studio, and this thing is such a beast, I'm gonna have to back up the camera, literally. This is Rcsparks Beast 2. As you can see up top, it is signed by DJ Medic himself in 2021. This is gonna be an absolutely insane video, you guys are not gonna want to miss this one, so don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and turn on the post notification button so you guys don't miss any really cool videos that I upload, just like this one. So make sure you guys stay tuned, grab an RC to wrench on, grab a snack, stay tuned, this is going to be absolutely insane. Alright guys, let's get right into it. Alright guys, so like I was saying, this is Rcsparks Beast 2. As you can see up top, it is signed by himself, and this is the body that is done by Pit Dog Hydra, which is absolutely insane. It is a nuts looking body. It is actually color changing in the light. You guys can see that it has a purple / green / gold hue to it, especially up top. Rcsparks used this in a bunch of his videos, especially in his outdoor crawling course, which was absolutely insane. Now, I was watching him since I was basically 11 years old. He did get me very much so back into the hobby when I was younger because of how many different things that you could actually do with the hobby and how much the hobby could expand and grow, which is what I really loved about it, and how detailed all of the different RCs and vehicles are starting to become at the time. Now, this does have the RC four-wheel drive. These are the Rock, let's see, these are the Rock, I believe these are the Rock Hustler tires. Now, these are absolutely insane. These are nuts tires. These are absolutely huge. They're 2.2s, like I was saying before. Now, these do have the Integy adjustable shocks to where you could have them on droop or suspension shocks. And I believe the rears were running droop and the front are running regular shocks, which is pretty cool. Now, this does have a Tekin motor in it as well. We're just going to do a quick little run through on it. We're going to take a peek at all the different pieces, see how it works. Up close, here are the Integy shocks. Watching his videos, you'd never genuinely think that you'd actually end up with one of his RCs, but having it in the Grim Reaper RC studio is absolutely insane. Another little detail is the Ram logo and sticker on the inside of the body, which I just find absolutely awesome. How much detail he actually does put into all of his RCs. Now, this is a very tightly wound motor. It is the Tekin 30-turn Pro hand-wound motor, which is absolutely nuts. On the inside of here, there is a Hobbywing 1080 ESC. You guys can see by the on and off button, it is the one from the Hobbywing 1080 ESC. You're going to have to believe me, I actually did crack this open and look inside of it. He is running XT90 plugs on the ESC because I believe that was what he was using on most of his RC batteries, which is pretty cool. Now, this does have the upgraded steering links in the front, which is awesome. It does have a Savox 1210 waterproof servo, and you can just see that this thing is absolutely a mud rig for sure. I mean, just the clearance on it itself is absolutely huge. You guys can tell how nuts it is. Usually the RCs in the garage don't even go up that high on the garage, but if we back it up right to the garage, especially with the body on it, I mean, it basically would barely fit into the garage if this was a real garage, because you guys are looking at it very level. Another kind of cool detail about this RC is I haven't actually cleaned it since I got it, so all of the dirt that you see on here is from the British Columbia back when Rcsparks was living out there before he moved actually closer to my region, which is pretty cool. But this is all original British Columbia dirt on here, which is awesome. Now, the battery tray is all the way back here, and it does look like there are some upgrades back here as well on the 4-link suspension. Now, which is pretty cool, is I actually built one of my RCs way back in the day, the Bronco, which you guys can see earlier in my videos, which I will be leaving a link to all of those build videos in the description box down below, and a video of me actually running Rcsparks Beast. I will be leaving that video linked in the description box down below and the little information button right here that you guys can watch. They're very similar build styles. I will be showing you the Bronco very little bit right now too. So on the Bronco, as you guys can see up there, we do have the metal 4-link on there. We have all of the different metal pieces. These are actually 1.9 size tires, but I did build it in comparison to Rcsparks Beast 2. I actually do have a Tekin 35-turn brushed motor in there and a Hobbywing 1080 ESC. It does actually match the paint scheme of the dump truck and the Lesu LT5H Bobcat build series that we did. That also will be linked down below in the description box. Same with the Optimus Prime build series that we did. Well, alright guys, that is basically it for Grim Reaper RC today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video of us going over Rcsparks Beast 2. Make sure you guys stay tuned. I do have a bunch of uploads previously planned out. I have a bunch of content coming out, so make sure you guys stay tuned. It's going to be absolutely awesome. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and turn on the post notification button so you guys get notified whenever I upload a really cool video just like this one. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching.